What's going on, everyone? Today we are making delicious crispy fried tofu. So before we get into the swing of things, click that subscription button down below and let's jump right into it. Starting things off, we got 2 cups of cornstarch, 2 packs of sliced soft tofu. I prefer soft because I like a soft texture without a crunchy layer. Here I have ginger, garlic, green onions, and some chopped chili. So we're going to start off by coating our tofu with the cornstarch. Keep in mind that if you're using the soft one like I am, please be sure to be very gentle because these are very easy to break. And if you're afraid of it breaking apart on you, I highly recommend you use the firm tofu. So I'm just finished coating the tofu with the cornstarch. As you can see, I did have some breakage on some of my tofu because I wasn't being too gentle, but it's alright. I'll just turn those into tofu bites. So we're using the good old wooden chopstick method to check the oil to see if the temperature is ready to fry the tofu. A good indication when the oil is ready is when you start seeing bubbles coming out of the chopstick. delicious fried crispy tofu is served. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.